Kohima Law College Wednesday in Legal Awareness Program host Krushe. Nagaland State Legal Services Authority pra Kohima District Legal Services Authority aro Kohima Law College lawade miligina organize Krushe. Guwahati High Court Judge aro NSLSA Executive Chairman Justice Kalyan Rai Surana pra special guest thakishe. Surana pra law students khan ke services activities khan actively uthawala encourage Krushe. People's rights are responsibilities like awareness be spread kurwale kushe. Tai pra tai khan ke legal services institution laga role aro functioning khan ke bi highlight kurwale anurodh kushe. Empowering communities te legal literacy lagya opor bi stress kushe. Guwahati High Court Judge Justice Y Longkhamar pra students khan ke laws aro legal duties te tai khan laga knowledge depend kurwale kushe. Safeguarding individual aro societal rights laga judiciary role ke bhi underscore kushe.
As a student, how will you contribute towards legal awareness program? Anybody can stand up from wherever you are there. As a student, how will you contribute towards legal awareness programs? You can give a suggestion. It may you may accept it, you may not accept it, but I would encourage you to speak up. As a student, how will you contribute towards legal awareness program? Anybody can stand up from wherever you are there. As a student, how will you contribute towards legal awareness programs? You can give a suggestion. It may you may accept it, you may not accept it, but I would encourage you to speak up. Because if you are aspiring for becoming a lawyer, then you must stand up and speak. Because unless you speak, how do you convey the issues of the clients which you would be having? So therefore, this should not be you should not be shy. What you may say may not be acceptable, but that does not mean that you will not speak. No. Now let me start from where my esteemed sister had stopped. You see, as a lawyer, you have a role in this society. If you pass out, you choose to become a lawyer, then you have a responsibility towards yourself. You have a social obligations towards the society. Now I'll just tell a small story. You go to a shop, say a grocery shop, to buy a kg of rice. Now you go to the shopkeeper, tell him that I want a rice, and this fellow, the shop owner, he starts running in the shop, searches here and there, and ultimately after 5 minutes he finds out and says, "Sir, I have found it. I have got the sugar also in this rice, whatever you wanted." Now you have in your list 3 more items. Please tell me, will you be comfortable to give him the order for rest of the items? Anybody? No. So you are anonymous to no. Sorry, no, simply you are in religion that it will be no. Now, the reason is that you are expecting that when you go to a shop, the shopkeeper will know where the items are lying, and then he comes forward and gives you the items at the shortest possible time. So that is a good shopkeeper. Now think of a lawyer. You go to a lawyer with a problem, and the lawyer says that, okay, you have this problem, very good problem, now let me find out the books. He goes to his library, searches for books, takes out one and then starts reading it, and tells you that, well, give me half an hour, I'll give you the solution. Now, are you interested in that lawyer? No. So therefore, this is, when my esteemed sister said that this is a foundational stone for you, she was absolutely right. You should spend your time well reading the books at this stage. When you have an opportunity, you have a library, and brush up with the laws with which you will be acquainted in course of time. In the law colleges, you have basic legal exposure, maybe 10, 15, 18 subjects. But there are more than 3,000 acts. So how do you go about it? That means that not only you always keep this example of a shopkeeper in your mind, you will have to read this whether you get a case or not. It is not that once you have a matter, then you start reading. Then it's not neither it's a education for yourself, neither it would be leading to any service to the society.
Nagaland TV, Sob Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.